If your servers and applications are starting to feel unorganized, creating a project is the easiest way to fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project in CloudRaptor and organize your resources into a clean, structured workspace. From your dashboard, navigate to the Projects section. This is where all your projects are listed and managed. Click on Create Project. A setup window will appear where you'll configure your project details. Start by entering a project name. Make it clear and descriptive. For example, something like e-commerce platform. Next, you can add a description. This step is optional but helpful. It gives context to your project, especially if you're working with a team. Then choose a color. This makes it easier to visually identify your project across the dashboard. Once everything looks good, click Create Project. Your project will now appear in the Projects list. Now let's connect your resources. Click on Manage Resources. From here, you can select which servers and applications belong to this project. Choose the ones you need, then click Save Changes. This groups everything under one workspace, making it easier to manage. Projects are perfect for organizing things like production environments, staging setups, client projects, or even internal tools. They don't change how your servers or apps work. They just make everything easier to manage. And that's how you create a project in CloudRaptor. Simple, clean, and powerful.